Hi everybody. So one of the main things I do with people who have allergies is adjust the cervical spine. The nerves that come from the C1 to like C4, 5 region, when those nerves are irritated, they can give rise to congestion, sinus pressure, runny nose, coughing, allergies, sore throat, headaches. So if you're an allergy sufferer, getting adjustments like cuts down your histamine reaction and your sensitivity quite a bit. So I'm going to show you how I adjust the upper cervical spine. The nerves that come from the top, like I said, are the ones that go to the nose, go to the lymph nodes, thymus gland, sinuses, throat. So I'm palpating around where I feel what's called a subluxation, bones that are not moving very well. And when they get stuck and locked, they pinch on a nerve. So we're going to just unlock this with a nice adjustment. And then I'm going to come back and go the other way. And that's going to help open up the nerve pathways that go to the nose and the sinuses and all of those areas that get really, really congestion and pressure when you have allergies. So if you are struggling with allergies, come into our offices. We help all the time with people with allergies. It's easy, it's drugless, and it's a simple way for you to suffer less. All right.